Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be exploring this new program called Letters. Letters is a word processor for GNOME. It supports reading and writing docx, ODT, MD, and HTML files, and it can also export your documents to as a PDF. You can download this from directly from flathub or from your software center, GNOME software, Discover, I don't know, the Cinnamon Software Center. But we're gonna get started. And let's make the full screen. Let's write something really quickly. River. Okay, this is the sample text. In the top menu, we have our editing for our font editing options, and also when we right click, we also get those options right here for font. So we're gonna bold, do italics, easy font, and we're gonna do all that. Spaces. Here in the paragraph section, we can select our style, 3, 6. We can do code, we can do quote, but let's go with 2. Here in the middle section, we have our insert list option. Put here list, small, put BTK application. We can exit by clicking or entering twice or once. Say if we have it empty, we can insert here links for the copy this. Here in the website, unfortunately, as of right now, we can't open links directly, not even with control left click. But I have the website here if you want to check it out. Make sure you can get it directly from flathub. You can also insert images. Post this nice video image. And here in the hamburger menu, we have our about letter, keyboard shortcuts, export to PDF, print, save as, save, and then let's save as. Have a sample document. And replace this one with and we can of course open other documents here. Let's open. We have this here. Opens. And we can of course open our PDF. Let's go to documents. I have these two right here I made earlier. We have our test video. Ascot here we have our edit text, and this one we can, with our PDF, we can go directly to our links posted, and or we have, who is this program for? Well, it's for those that are seeking for a BTK application that will fit with GNOME, Mate, or with Cinnamon desktop environments. They're looking for a small cost application that can do very basic word processing, maybe they tested LibreOffice, but it has too many buttons, or they have difficulty. Maybe they just want to do some very basic um, word processing that, but they don't want to use a text editor. So I think this is a great application. It's pretty small and pretty basic for users. We have a very basic and essential functions. You can save, you can print, you can export it as PDF. So I think that people can test this applications. You guys can give it a try, see if you like it. And with that, we'll be wrapping this video. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for new videos, please let me know in the description below. Bye.